Hey guys, this is 2098 Graham Road. Very spacious front yard. Let's take a look inside. Oh, the wind's opening the door for us. Oh. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs and then we'll come back down to the main floor. So straight ahead, of course, we have a bathroom. And on this side, bedroom. There's the closet. Access to the attic. It's warm in there. Alright, and then we have another bathroom. There's your thermostat. It's another bedroom. They don't have any light bulbs in there right now. There's your closet. You see the shed from the window there. All right. There's a closet here. Next to the next bedroom. Oh wow. Two poles for twice the clothes. All right, let's head back down. Here's a small dining area. I might use it more as an office space these days. All right, and then here is the kitchen. It's your refrigerator, stove, sink, and dishwasher. Definitely a wooden theme going on. All right, just a few more over here. And a little pantry. All right, let's go over here. Some small space here, maybe for a table or a desk. Here is your laundry room. Looks like they also have another refrigerator in here. Behind the door is another door. There you have a bit more storage. Alright, and then here's the garage. It's very easy, just drive on up. from the street and come in. You can see the dryer comes through here before it goes out the front. Then here is your water heater. It's a Rheem. Let's see. All right. All right, let's go through this way. Bit of storage underneath the stairs. And then here is a half bath. Then there's this hallway. You can see there's the front door that we came in at. And then here is the living room. Here's your fireplace. There's the other doorway to the front door. And then it comes out to this nice little sunroom area. Let's go take a look. Go out to the deck here. You can see there's a shed back there. Let's go take a look in the shed. There's your neighbor. Let me see if there's a light switch. There we go. Now you can see it. Looks like it has some foam here. Might need to put that back up. But it is wired, as you can see. There's a hook. Nice. All right, now let's take a look around. First off, we'll look behind the shed a bit, and then we'll go back around the sides of the house. Alright, so here are your units. You got Tempstar heating and cooling products. It's kind of wet over here. Looks like something comes out that pipe maybe. All right. Take a closer look at the front here. There's a hose. Oh, another hose behind that bush. Looks like they've got some of those termite trackers there. All right, and then back to this side of the house. Thank you very much. Please let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and have a great day.